Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable insights and tips for car enthusiasts like you. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue that many drivers face: car pulling to one side. This can be frustrating and even dangerous, so it's important to understand the causes and remedies for this problem. We'll explore the various causes behind this problem and provide you with effective remedies to get your car back on track. So, let's dive right in. Causes. Before we can address the remedies, it's important to understand the potential causes of your car pulling to one side. Here are a few common culprits. 1. Tire pressure imbalance. Uneven tire pressure can lead to unequal traction, causing the car to pull to one side. Check your tire pressure regularly and ensure it matches the manufacturer's recommended levels. 2. Wheel alignment issues. Improper wheel alignment can disrupt the balance of your car, resulting in pulling to one side. Visit a professional mechanic to have your wheels aligned correctly. 3. Uneven brake pad wear. Uneven brake pad wear can cause uneven braking force, leading to the car pulling to one side. Have your brake pads inspected and replaced if necessary. 4. Suspension problems. Worn out or damaged suspension components can affect the car's stability, causing it to pull to one side. Consult a mechanic to diagnose and repair any suspension issues. 5. Uneven tire wear. Another cause could be uneven tire wear. If your tires are not wearing evenly, it can cause your car to pull to one side. To avoid uneven tire wear, rotate them regularly. If your tires are unevenly worn, you may need to replace them. It's important to replace all 4 tires at the same time to ensure even wear and prevent future issues. Remedies. Now that we've identified some potential causes, let's discuss the remedies to resolve the car pulling issue. 1. Tire rotation and balancing. Regularly rotating and balancing your tires ensures even wear and optimal traction. Visit a tire shop to have your tires rotated and balanced according to the recommended schedule. 2. Wheel alignment. Aligning your wheels correctly restores the proper geometry of your car's suspension system. Schedule an appointment with a professional mechanic to perform a wheel alignment. 3. Brake inspection and maintenance. Regularly inspecting and maintaining your brakes ensures even braking force distribution. Have your brakes inspected by a qualified technician and replace any worn-out components. 4. Suspension check. If your suspension system is damaged or worn, you'll need to have it repaired or replaced. This is a more complex fix and should be done by a professional mechanic. Prevention. There are a few things you can do to prevent your car from pulling to one side. Check your tire pressure regularly and make sure all of the tires are inflated to the correct pressure. Get your car's alignment checked every year or 2. Have your car's suspension inspected regularly. Be careful not to hit potholes or curbs. A car pulling to one side is a serious problem that can make driving difficult and increase the risk of an accident. If you notice this problem, it is important to have it diagnosed and repaired as soon as possible. By following the tips in this video, you can help to prevent this problem from happening in the first place. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and share the video, and subscribe for more car care tips and tricks.